Alright guys, how are we doing? So 2017 has just begun and I'm coming off the back of an amazing year in 2016 where I qualified for the Olympic Games. I won a World Cup silver medal and becoming Jamaica's first ever world diving medalist. I graduated from university with a 2-1 in sport and exercise science, and finally I got to compete at the Olympic Games in Rio, which was an unreal experience. Things have kind of changed in my life as well. I've moved out of home, so I'm having to cook for myself. I don't have uni to worry about anymore. I can kind of come home and not have to worry about writing an essay or doing my coursework or getting ready for an exam. Don't have to worry about that anymore, so kind of focus on training a little bit more and hopefully just slowly build up over this next 3 years for this next Olympic cycle. So now kind of back into training, first week back since the New Year break, and now we're looking forward to the National Cup, which is in just less than a month now. So all our training is going to that. On that note, time to go to training now. So this is where I spend most of my days.
Trap monopoly, trap shit,
Alright, Chris, mate, what day is it today, man?
Saturday.
Circuit Saturday.
Circuit Saturday.